When the pandemic struck in early 2020, cities and towns around the world transformed almost overnight. Drivers took their cars off the road. Many schools, businesses, and other gathering spots closed. Air pollution, which is blamed for untold number of deaths annually, often dropped as a result.
It was an amazing natural experiment. I wish we wouldn't have had to do it.
Gabrielle Pfister is with the U.S. National Center for Atmospheric Research, whose just concluded study finds that emissions like nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds were cut sharply during the lockdown. No surprise there.
And we found that in some places, some pollutants and ozone in particular were increased following the lockdown.
Northern China, for example, typically sees high concentrations of nitrogen oxides, which destroy ozone. So a reduction in NOx, as it's called, actually caused ozone levels to go up there. In Northern Europe, where ozone also increased, weather played a larger role. Lockdowns caused ozone to go down in less polluted cities.
There is a lot of factors that contribute to your air pollution, and that just because there is now less cars driving out there doesn't mean that your air is necessarily cleaner.
It's complicated. Air quality is determined not just by pollutants that are emitted into the air, but by chemistry that transforms those pollutants once they enter the atmosphere. Meteorological conditions play a part too. The study, done with the help of a sophisticated computer model, could help policymakers address air quality in the future.
Because it tells them what are really the knobs that they can turn to bring down pollution.
A one-size-fits-all approach for every location or every season may not be the best thing.
By smartly addressing some of the sources of emissions, we can really get a double benefit. We can mitigate climate change and we can reduce pollution.
This was a rare opportunity for NCAR scientists.
It's because we can take advantage of a scenario that is usually not seen in real life.
The pandemic may have helped us learn more about the air we all breathe. Hendrik, Sybrandy, CGTN, Denver.